I'll do a tag light next. I'll put something in here, I'm not sure how. Some sort of filler in here and there. Fill it up here and here. Well, something like this to fill it in. I'll come up something with this tag here. So I do have a piece of steel here which has really got a bend on it. I put it in there and I put a tag on top of that. So it'll be pretty plain looking, I guess. I made a template. I'll put this template on here. I'm going to cut it a little roughly along here, along there. I might bend them over actually, but I'll cut this off, cut that off and see what I have. Alright, so I bent the ends. Let's see if it fits. Well, another all day trying to get this sorted out. Still got a little more work here. Still got to stop that. That's not quite right here. But close enough. All day, all day. Anyway, done for the evening. Been on it all day. Alright, get some get some knobs to hold that down. Now you got the computer moved back a bit so I can plug the computer back in. Again, another monotonous. Alright, I got a fair bit done today. Got this battery box done and in place. Relays are bolted up. So I say looking a little tidier in here. The back's done here. I got tag lights coming for here and here. And I got acorn nuts coming for the tag. Lights are in. They're bolted in through the back here with these bolts here. There's a pair of bolts. There's one here and there's one inside the cover. So yeah, that's what it looks like over there. Most of that stuff's Jaguar XJS stuff that came out of the car. And I do have this electric antenna, which I did get working. Got this relay here to make it work, so it's like a run-stop relay. I might put that in. If I'm going to do that, I'm going to drill a hole here if I do it, and like French it in with a tube, so it's going to sit in a hole, and then it'll just come out the hole. So I don't know if I got the guts to go do that. Is actually cut a hole in the bodywork, an oblique tube in there with a plate on the bottom, and then tie the antenna into it. And then the motor, that motor will probably sit in here somewhere in this box and go under here, and then into and go up into this up in here in the bodywork. So I still got wiring to finish off in here too. Yeah, little detail things, I guess. Drive me nuts. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Hey, if I get this car on the road and it's documented with this videos and YouTube stuff, then that would be kind of cool. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you in the next video.